Hello world. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd, 2025. It's 11:33 a.m. and this is another vlog that is a 10 minutes raw unedited talk about what is top of mind. And I am in Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon. I think my last vlog was a couple of days ago. What I've been working on is manifestlyai.com, making this a AI copilot for your social media presence. So imagine being able to connect all of your social media accounts, seeing all of the analytics, and be able to draft and auto post content to your accounts that are AI generated. This is the vision. This is what I'm working on. So it is a Next.js app with a Express Node backend, and yes, there is an iOS app as well, and now it was like an all-in-one app, and now I'm moving to make it really focused on this value proposition, on this use case of being like an AI social media marketing agency kind of agent. So my ankle is still recovering, and it's already 3.5 weeks, but I am walking like normal. So I am like 90% healed, and have been doing these like physical therapy kind of self-directed exercises, stretches, and so my leg is doing very well. Another thing is avacreatorpro.com. This is an app that allows you to convert photos to anime. Now I ran into some issues with like Firebase authentication. So this app is in progress, and so the vision is you just upload any photo and it converts it to an anime photo. That's step one, and then it's going to be released on all platforms, apps, Apple, Android, and web. So what's next on that is to implement like the Revenue Cat subscription and get it on test flight, and then get it onto the App Store. And there's authentication with Apple and Gmail. So have been consuming a lot of content on like creating online businesses, and the takeaway here is like, well, it's difficult, and you really I feel like it's really about really a journey of doing the inner work, and that it's all like mental, and like anything, like it's mental. Anything like sports or athletics, like if you want to be the best athlete, like it's really a mental game. And what does that mean? Like, how do you actually create an online business that is successful? Like, there are so many examples, models of people that have done this, and so you can see that like this is what really motivates me, like seeing people like do it. I have seen people go from like just idea on Twitter, posting it, and then like very quickly blow up, and like have very have a lot of success with creating AI apps. And a lot of them are just like very new coders or mediocre coders, and not better than I. So the thing is, like, I have all the pieces. Like many people have all the basic necessities, requirements, prerequisites, And the real part is to make it happen. Like, how do you actually make it happen in reality? So it takes concentration, it takes focus, it takes determination, persistence, it takes time, and it takes like self-management and self-coaching. So that means like you're going to get setbacks, but how are you going to deal with them? Are you going to feel defeated and like give up? Or are you going to like look at it, analyze it, like accept it, take responsibility, and get up and keep trying? And so yes, it is like putting yourself out there and saying like, I'm going to start a business, I'm going to be my own boss. It takes like courage, and everybody is just like, okay, good luck. Are you homeless? Are you a bum? You're not playing by the rules of like the common paths of how to be a valuable member of society. And I have done that already, like have gone the route of I'm going to get a skill, and then I'm going to target like getting a job at this kind of company and this kind of like industry and this kind of like job. And then I did it, and then I went through that process, and I was, after 4 years of that, getting to like a high 6-figure salary, and like I realized, okay, this is good to experience, to know what this is like. But long term, it's so not satisfying. You are trading your dreams for this kind of like security, which in the end is, you are going to be limited. For most people, like some people can find self-actualization and fulfillment of all of their talents within the structures of existing kind of companies, corporations, corporate world, and hierarchies. For others, they have a calling to start from scratch and build something. And that was something that to me just was obvious, that that's what I needed to be doing. I needed to be looking at the raw universe, raw data, and see how I can use my talents, my knowledge, my experience to provide some value to the world, to see what is the highest value I can provide using the skills that I have, the experience and the data, the knowledge, the perspective that I have. How can I contribute to society in the best way? And that's the answer. That's the question that I'm working on, and that leads me to like building AI tools for content creators to help more people be creating good content and be content creators, and for brands and companies to manage their social media presence better and easier, and to save time so that they don't have to spend so much time and money on their social media presence, to make sure that their content is on brand and that it's resonating and that it's effective. So I feel that's a problem that I can apply my skills and experience to. So ending it here, and now closing this vlog with a couple seconds of peace and love vibrations, sending to you, the listener. Thank you for listening. Peace.